Welcome to the Elements of AI website in Luxembourg. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to create an account and access the platform and webinars. To create an account, click on the Login button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Then select Create a new account to start the registration process. Fill in the required fields in the registration form. Once completed, click the final button labeled Create a new account. Check your inbox or your spam folder for a confirmation email and look for the message containing the text. To confirm your new account, please go to this web address. Click the link provided in the email to verify your email address. After confirming your email, click Continue to finalize your account setup. Scroll to the bottom of the homepage and click the button Click to enter this course. On the course page, click the Enroll Me button to gain access. Congratulations! You now have full access to all course materials for the Elements of AI program. Get ready to participate in the first webinar, happening on January 28, 2025. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you on the platform.